Yeah, okay. I want you to take a look at this and see what happened overnight. These things do always happen. Do you see around the zone, like I'm touching somewhere here, where you see these candlesticks? This one almost gave us our take profit, you know, hitting our take profit, but the broker did not give us, okay? Because the broker knows that the next candle is coming, like this one, so they didn't give us the take profit, you know. This is the thing I always say about brokers manipulating the price. Some brokers, they are useless. They do manipulate the price, you know. And this is why I do tell people that, look, don't be greedy. Don't take a big lot size. There will be a lot of opportunities in the market because of this type of things broker manipulate. You know, I've seen this a lot of times, you know, and that's why I focus myself on where the market is going. You know, where is the market going? That's why I focus myself. Okay. Even if the market has done this one, okay, this moving average will bounce this price back. This price will go back. Okay, so this situation that has happened now happens now to be that, okay, since we didn't get our own take profit, it means, well, the trade we have taken in one day now, this trade has become a waste of time. You understand? It now become a carryover, which we now have to exercise patience and wait until it goes back down. You understand? Very soon it will go back down. That's what this means. Okay, so what it means is that instead of us now to take one more signal and, you know, enjoy the week, we have to wait for this one to, you know, give us the down direction and go and give us in profit before we take the next signal. All right, so we are still in a good situation. There's no problem about this. I just make this short video for you to show you that, see, these things do happen. Take profit is hit. Our trade is planned very good, but the broker's manipulation, you know, came in. All right, thank you.